guys, in this video I'll be explaining the problem of simulation. So let's get started. Now here the question in front of us on the problem of simulation. So let's start it with the statement: a bakery keeps stock of a particular brand of cake. Daily demand based on the past experiences given below. Daily demand and probability, both things are given. Consider the following sequence of random number. 48, 78 random numbers are given. These are 10 random numbers if you want to count. First part, you have to find out using the sequence. Simulate the demand for 10 days. First thing, you have to calculate the demand for 10 days, and second thing, you have to find out the stock situation. If the owner of the bakery decide to make 35 cakes, stock situation means if any cake remain unsold, it means you have to find out the closing stock. Clear statement? Now let's start it with the solution part. As you know, I already told you in my first video of simulation. First step under this, you have to make a simulation two tables. First table is establishing the random number intervals. Daily demand is already given 0, 15, 25, and probability is also given. So I plotted in a tabular form daily demand and probability. Probability you have to given in decimal form. तो easy करने के लिए उसको decimal हटा दिया. First probability is 0, 1 means 1%, 15%, 20%, 50%, 12%, 2%. First step, calculate the probability distribution that is already given. Second part, you have to calculate cumulative probability. First same, 1 plus 15, 16, 16 plus 20, 36, 36 plus 50, 86, 86 plus 12, 98, 98 plus 2, 100. Then next part is you have to make random number interval, and I already told you start with 0. Then first cumulative probability is 1, less from this digit 1 minus 1 is still same 0, 0. Next, after 0, next number is 1, then less from 16, that is 15. After 15, next number is 16, then less from 36, 35. Same procedure is followed in subsequent columns: 86 to 97, 98 to 99. Now second part is simulated worksheet. Now under this part, you have to calculate two things. One is using the sequence, means by using these random numbers, simulate the demand for next 10 days. So first column I made, that is number of days. There are 10 days: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And random numbers are also given: 48, 78, 09, 15, 48, 78, 09, 51, 56, 77, 15, 14, 68, and last one is 09. Now next part is daily demand. This column calculated from first table with the help of first table. First random number is 48. It lies between 36 to 85, whose values is 35. So first daily demand is 35. Next random number is 78. It falls between 36 to 85, whose values is 35. Next random number is 09. It falls between 1 to 15, whose values is 15. Next random number is 51. 51 falls between which interval? 51, 86 to 36 to 85, whose value is 35. Same 56 falls between 36 to 85, whose value is 35. 77, same lie between 36 to 85, whose values is 35. 15 lies in second interval 0 to 15, whose daily demand is 15. Next random number is 14, lies in second interval, whose values is 15. Then 68 falls between 36 to 85, whose values is 35, and 09 lies between 0 to 1, whose values is 15. Is there any problem till then? Next, number of cakes made, that is already given. Find out the stock situation. If owner of the bakery decide to make 35 cakes per day, means maximum supply, your capacity is also given कि every day owner decide to make 35 cakes per day. तो एवरी डे 35 केक्स पर डे, तो 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35 35. Now find out the stock situation. In first part you have to calculate using the sequence, simulate the demand for 10 days that you already counted. For the 10 days demand is, first day demand is 35, second day 35, third day 35, fourth day 35. So sum total of third column, that's the answer of your first part. Simulate the demand for 10 days. So therefore answer is demand for 10 days, that is 35 plus 35 plus 15, 15 total of all these. And if you have to calculate average demand, then total of 10 day demand, total of 10 days demand divided by 10, means total of all these value divided by 10, you obtain the value of average demand. But in first part you have to calculate only the simulate the demand for 10 days. So total of all these values, that's the simulate the demand for 10 days. That's the answer of first point. Second point, find out the stock situation if owner of the bakery decide to make 35 cakes per day. So maximum supply is 35. Now how to calculate, how to find the value of stock situation. Now first day demand is 35, it means customer willing to buy cake 35 units, and number of cakes अवेलेबल इन द शॉप 35. तो देखो फर्स्ट डे डिमांड भी 35 है एंड सप्लाई भी कितनी है 35. तो कोई स्टॉक सिचुएशन आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, स्टॉक मीन्स एनी केक रिमेनिंग, मीन्स एनी केक रिमेन अनसोल्ड. तो फर्स्ट डे डिमांड भी 35 है और फर्स्ट डे सप्लाई भी 35 है, तो देयर इज ए नो स्टॉक रिमेनिंग. सारा का सारा क्या होगा, डेट वुड बी सॉर्ट आउट. सेकेंड डे भी देखो 35 की डिमांड 35 की सप्लाई, कि जितना बना उतना ही लेने आ गया, तो देयर इज ए नो स्टॉक और क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. थर्ड डे देखो 15 की डिमांड और सप्लाई कितने की है 35. एट दिस पॉइंट 20 यूनिट्स रिमेन अनसोल्ड, कि मैक्सिमम सप्लाई इज 35 यूनिट्स एंड कस्टमर रेडी टू बाय 15 यूनिट, देन 20 यूनिट्स रिमेन अनसोल्ड. तो 20 आपने लिखा. सेकेंड डे कितना है 35, तो 20 आपकी लास्ट वाली पड़ी है, तो उस दिन तो कुछ नहीं है, बट 20 आप कैरी फॉरवर्ड तो करोगे लास्ट के पड़े हुए. नेक्स्ट डे भी देखो सेम 20 जो पीछे के चल रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट डे भी 20. अब नेक्स्ट 15 प्लस 35 सेम 20 अनसोल्ड रह गए, 20 आपके पीछे से हैं, तो टोटल कितने हो जाएंगे, कैरी फॉरवर्ड करोगे 40 यूनिट्स, देन 60 यूनिट्स, देन सेम 60 और देन 80. क्लियर? लेट मी रिपीट वन मोर टाइम. How to calculate the value of stock situation, compare the value demand with supply. If demand and supply both are equal, then there is a no closing stock available in the shop. ऐसे first day 35 no closing stock, second day 35 no closing stock, third day demand is 15 unit, customer ready to buy 15 unit but supply is 35, it means 20 units remain unsold, that would be in your stock. तो 20 आपने लिख दिया. सेकेंड डे सारा का सारा फुल हो गया, ऑक्यूपाइड कर दिया, बट 20 जो आपके पीछे की पड़ी है वो आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड होंगी. ऐसे सेम नेक्स्ट डे सल चलता रहेगा, लास्ट तक कितना आ जाएगा 80. और यही चीज आपको निकालनी थी. फाइंड आउट द स्टॉक सिचुएशन ऑफ इफ द ओनर ऑफ द बेकरी डिसाइड टू मेक 35 केक्स पर डे. तो सेकेंड पॉइंट इज स्टॉक सिचुएशन. तो कितना स्टॉक सिचुएशन है अगर आप देखोगे, लास्ट में 80 यूनिट्स दैट रिमेन अनसोल्ड, तो 80 इज योर आंसर. क्लियर? थैंक you so much.
If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. All the very best for your exam. Happy learning.